Welcome to Six Method TV. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so and share to others. Today we are going to talk about MBK cryptocurrency airdrop. So MBK is an Web3 coin. You know, Web3 coin are always doing good. Example Solana and others. So today they are sharing airdrop, which the thing is not yet viral. So get this airdrop now, store it and share your link with others so that you can accumulate more token. This MBK coin will do better before the ending of June or July. So let's get started. I have shared the airdrop link on the description box below. So let's get started. First, input your email. Put a valid email address. Put a valid email address. Then input your BIP20 wallet address. Go to your Trust wallet. If you have a Trust wallet, open it, go to your Trust wallet. If you have not, kindly go to App Store, download your Trust wallet. Okay. Get your BNB Smart Chain. Get the address. Paste here. Pass through the robotic test. Mount. Click submit. Then click claim. It's successful. You can see here, congratulations. You now have 50 MBK pieces and $5 worth of MBK, and I also got 0.00028 Bitcoin. So it's more money, but by time goes on, this Bitcoin will start increasing. Okay, got it. We have not finished the process. If you have not subscribed, hit the subscription button below and also share this video right now to your friends, family, cryptocurrency community, Facebook and WhatsApp. So continue. Then activate your Bitcoin mining. Then send code. Remember the email you input. Send code. A code has been sent. So let me head back to my email. Let me head back to my email. Yeah. Memebank verification code. I've gotten it. Then input. Paste it here. Submit. Wow, your airdrop is here. So now let me show you how to get more airdrop. If possible, accumulate more MBK coin. Like you can see here, 50 MBK Bitcoin, 0.00028 Bitcoin. Then, and you also get BNB commission. So if you want to make money with this, copy this link here. Go to your Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, anywhere, LinkedIn. Share to your Facebook community, WhatsApp. Here, can see here I have a cryptocurrency community here. So let me share it and give it a nice laptop. Don't miss this airdrop. This Web3 airdrop. Participate. and share with others. As you are doing this now, you are making the thing go viral. Once someone register with this your link, the person will get another five pieces of MBK, and his or her USDT will increase to extra 1 USDT, making it 6 USDT, and his Bitcoin will keep growing. Can see activated. Activate this, then set up a password. Set up a password. Submit. Save. Can see your Bitcoin is going up. Slow, it will be going up, and your dashboard will be showing here. So guys, here is the end of the tutorial. So all you have to do now is share this video